Hi, just putting together a quick kit that I've got left over. I've done all the stamping and preparation, so I'm just going to show you putting the card together. I've used the Desert Details bundle, and that comes with the stamp set and the dies. And I'll show you what these dies do. There's the borders, lots of borders, and then there's stamp borders and stamps, which are really pretty. You get 10% off when you get this out of the new mini catalogue. The January to June 2023. I've used Calypso Coral and Cajun Craze as my colours for my stamping. And here's what I've got to go. So I've used Cajun Craze for my card. Let's see if I can push this up. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. There we are. I've used the paper that is in the suite, which is called Delicate Deserts 12 by 12 paper. And there's also, I've also used in the suite, there's also this shiny paper. And I've cut that out using the two dies together. So it cuts out the middle and the outside. And you get left over, you get a frame, which you can use with another project. And you also get an inners, which you can use with another project. This also comes in a blue colour, which I think is balmy blue. And this is gold and Calypso Coral colour. So we're going to glue this piece down. I should undo that glue. So we glue this base down. I've taken our long adhesive strips, which you can get in packets and put around the edges. They're great for this sort of mountain because they're so thin and double-sided sticky, and they're also really good if you want to do shaky cards. It saves you cutting lots and lots of dimensionals up or trying to cut strips they've already cut. So we're going to put that in the middle, like so. And then we're going to take our embellishments. So what I've done is die cut out a couple of leaves. And yep, there is a couple of leaves. And I've left some of the centres in. So you can push all the centres out, but I've left a few in, because I like that look. So I'm going to put one down here with a spot of glue. Makes it also easier to glue if you leave some in. I'm going to stick that there. I'm going to take my big flower and I'm going to put that down here on dimensionals. So to get the dimensionals in the right place, I'm just looking for my dimensionals. Oh, they've stuck to each other. That's not very good. Ooh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals, oh, that's moved, a couple of dimensionals on there, like so, just to hold that, and then some glue across here, and that should hold that down. There we go. And then this piece, I'm going to take out that piece there, and that little bit there, and I've got a cat that's come in the room, so please excuse me if, yeah, you can hear him. I'm going to glue that bit like that, and then I'm going to try and hide a dimensional under the bits that I've left covered. There. Like so. I'm going to take my sentiment, which I've done already. You are what sunshine feels like. Again, put some dimensionals on that. Again, I'm looking to see where I need those dimensionals, because some of it will be glued onto what's already there. Like so, and I'm going to bring that one down a bit. There we go. And then I'm going to take my last flower and put that in here like so. I've got some linen thread. I'm going to do a double bow because I like double bows, especially with linen thread. And then I cut my piece like so. I think I just cut the wrong one. I did, so start again. Oops. Let's keep an eye on it this time. There we go. There it is. Got the right one. There we go. Cut that. I'm going to take a glue dot, which I did have on my desk, which looks like, you wouldn't believe what my desk looks like. Well, we said we'd take a glue dot. Oh, found. They were hiding. Take a glue dot and pop that there. And then in our new annual catalogue, we've got these beautiful sequin bling. Again, everything will be in the preview, in the description below. And you're going to meet Cohen in a minute because he's coming in. Let's just move stuff out of the way. No, he's going to sit at the side of the camera, making me very nervous. And what I've done already is I've, so you are what sunshine feels like, sending warm rays your way. So I've already pre-stamped this in Calypso Coral, and I'm putting that on the inside. And there we go, a simple card that looks not so simple, amazing. And this is the one I did in class, just changed up a bit. I've done a darker colour here. So I've done Calypso Coral and I've re-inked my ink pads today, so that's why it's a bit darker than that. And then round the outside I've taken the Cajun Craze with a sponge dauber, one of these, and I've just gone round the edge, and that's given that dark outer layer. And you see I've left more in here, whereas here I've done quite a simpler one, so I quite like that. So there you go, 2 variations of the same card. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. In the link below I'll put my shop where you can get the supplies from if you live in New Zealand. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this these cards, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.